Natrum sulphuricum. Key attributes of cell salt. Natrum sulphuricum are asthma, bedwetting, biliousness, debility in alcoholics, diabetes, fistula, head injuries, headaches, influenza, liver enlarged, malaria, migraine, nasal catarrh, nosebleed, photophobia, sciatica, sinusitis, spinal injuries, spleen disorders, warts. Indications. Natrum sulphuricum has marked action on many gastrointestinal symptoms like biliousness, liver troubles, diarrhea, flatulent colic, hepatitis, etc. There is pain and tenderness in the whole abdomen with great flatulence. Pain is dull, burning, relieved by passing flatus. The patient cannot bear tight clothing around waist, with vomiting of bile. There is frequent expulsion of offensive flatus in morning. Pain worse before breakfast. Natrum sulphuricum is useful in hepatitis when liver is sore to touch with sharp stitching pain, with nausea and vomiting of bile. The stool is watery, yellowish or greenish in color. Natrum sulphuricum also helps in diarrhea after a spell of wet weather, living or working in damp basement. Morning diarrhea as soon as the patient gets up from the bed. Natrum sulphuricum is also useful in chronic diarrhea with tuberculosis of intestine. Natrum sulphuricum is also a chief remedy for nasal catarrh with thick yellowish discharge and salty mucus. Also useful in nosebleed or epistaxis during menses, which is acrid and profuse. It also helps in late stages of pneumonia, when lower lobe of left lung is affected. There is all-gone sensation in the chest. Congestion with thick yellowish ropey expectoration. Natrum sulphuricum is also indicated in asthma, which is worse in the morning from 4 to 5 a.m. There is dyspnea with desire to take deep breaths in rainy weather. Natrum sulphuricum is also useful in other conditions like headaches, photophobia, influenza, migraine and sinusitis. It also works for debility in alcoholics and diabetes. Urine is loaded with bile and excessive secretion in diabetes. Natrum sulphuricum is indicated in spinal meningitis and other head symptoms from injury to head. Hands tremble on writing. Natrum sulphuricum also helps in warts which are red all over the body.